If you're just learning about Amalgam, this is a quick video about what we do and why we're a little bit different. So Amalgam is a platform for connecting to all the different tools where you have data. So these are all the connections I have available to me. If I want to make more, I just have to go here and search the system that I want to connect to. If you have data there, we want to connect to it. So you create the connection in our web app, and then in Excel or Google Sheets, you use our sidebar to access that data. Creating new reports, and we have reports for all of these different systems, is as simple as picking a system, picking a report, and then choosing which connection that you've already made you want that report to exist for. You can do multiple at once. Once you create a report, it just pops up in the existing sheet. And you can run it with a click. The sidebar updates for whichever tab you have open, and it makes your data as accessible as possible. The second thing that is a little bit different about us is we don't have lots of menus or interfaces inside of our plugin. The sidebar is all you see, and you do almost all of the work in Excel. So if you want to use a formula here, you can. If you want to filter by your chart of accounts, you can do that as well, because we sync everything to the spreadsheet itself. So you can use the tools available in Excel if you're an Excel nerd, or if you just like having data available to you. All the data is here, and you can use that to create proprietary systems or solutions or templates that you use across your client base. Another thing that's a little bit different about us is that we're not just a download tool. We can download data, like here I've got what we call a resource for journal entries. These are all of my journal entries in this particular account. And if I want to make an edit here, the sheet's going to recognize that I just edited something, and I can sync it back to, in this case, QuickBooks. And the data is going to be persisted in what you see in the website. So you never have to actually open the website in order to create a complete workflow from inside Excel or inside Google Sheets. You can obviously delete things as well, or you can create brand new entries to create sort of a data pipeline from one system to the next. Obviously, there are a lot of things you can do with this, but I'll just go on to our final difference, which is we're not just for your clients. If you work with multiple clients, this tool is for you. You only have to buy one account in order to use it across your client base, and then you can create connections to as many different systems as you like. This is designed to make the people who work with numbers more efficient. So you don't have to resell it each time. You don't have to convince your clients that they need to buy it. This is for you. You can use it ideally to create the same solutions that you use for one client across your entire client base. If you're a large business, we've got solutions for organizing each one of your clients, all of the integrations that go into that clients, and then the users that need to work on those clients, where you can choose the users, share the integrations with them, and set their permission levels. So if you have a new person joining your team, you don't need to get them access to every single system. You don't need to email your clients to grant them access to the tools. All you need to do is use our system to grant access using the same login that you already had. It removes password sharing, it's more secure, but it gives all your people access in a much simpler way. I hope that's a good synopsis. We'd love to talk to you if you want to learn more about any of these individual features, because obviously there's a lot you can do with them.